Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to download and install Chrome in your Ubuntu 22.04. As you know, Firefox is already installed once you install your Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so it's by default installed, but I think and you have to install Chrome for your better browsing. So how you can install your Chrome in Ubuntu 22.04? So you just have to first go into your terminal. So there are just two commands you have to write, and that command is basically, I am let you know that first of all you have to write wget. Okay, just follow my command and it's easy for you to install your Ubuntu. Okay, we get http some double slash and then d1 dot google dot com. Okay, now slash linux slash direct and again slash google and then this chrome, then again this you have to write stable and okay, current m64 dot dep. Okay, so this is your first command what you have to write. Now you just have to click enter. You can see it start proceeding. So now you have to wait until it goes 100%. Okay, it may take 2 minutes of total, and now you can see it's done. Now the second command you have to write is sudo space dpkg space I space okay Google Chrome stable then current then m64 dot dep. Okay, so this is your second command. Now just you have to click enter. You can see it requires your password. You just have to enter your Ubuntu password. After entering, just click enter. You can see it's unpacking your Google Chrome packages. Okay, now wait until this done. Now it's done. Now the third step is now another command you have to write is again sudo apt fix broken install. Okay, after just clicking, you have to click enter. You can see all packages are now ready. Now the final step is just you have to write Google/Chrome. This is your final step. Just click enter. You can see now your Google Chrome is ready. Now you just have to install by clicking on to the OK button. You can also unmark this. I think you should have to mark this, make Google Chrome as your default browser, okay, and automatically send user statistic crash report to Google. Okay, that's all for today. How to install Google Chrome in your Ubuntu 22.04. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.